Shoot out. Ayaw, 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 ayaw. Ayaw. Go, Sandro! Shh! Sandro! 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 It's okay, Sandro. It's okay na. It's okay, Sandro.
Other side, other side. Boys, boys, wala na tayo high, wala tayo high.
Kuya! Yes! Good job!
Yes, runners!
Goyoki.
Middle! Who's middle?
Yes. Kuya, open!
Sandra, support! Sandro, run! Sandro, okay.
Gi, kuya! Kaya, kuya! Go, kuya, kaya!
Boys, piatos! Ano, hey, hey! Chan, abahin si Jeremy.
Dali, kuya!
Piatos! Sanoy, Sanoy, that's your side! Ulo! DJ! Ay, nalay pula, oh! Ay, walking! Piatos ba? Uy! Uy!
Hay, hay, hay.
Run, Sandro! Sandro!
Kuya! Kuha, kuya! Good job!
Pitch number 1, next game. Club de los Hermanos versus Ateneo. Club de los Hermanos versus Ateneo. Pitch number 1, next game. Pitch number 2, next game. Don Juan
Kuya, go!
versus Talisay Rascals. Don Juan United versus
Kuya!
Talisay Rascals. Pitch number 2, next game. Pitch number 3, Boy 17.
Kuya, uy.
Giuseppe B versus Bacolod United B.
Yo!
Giuseppe B versus Bacolod United B. Pitch number 3. Pitch number 3. We'll now have the semifinals. Sa players 11 at pitches 4A and 4B. 4A, Subo Calidad versus Club de los Hermanos. Subo Calidad versus Club de los Hermanos at 4A. 4B, San Carlos School of Cebu A versus Corona Del Mar at 4B semifinals for players 11. Once again, Subo Calidad
Kuya!
versus Club de los Hermanos.
Go Sandro! Go Sandro! Kaya Sandro! Kaya!
4B semifinal game number 2, San Carlos School of Cebu A versus Corona Del Mar.
Rep! Bullying oh! Dali kuya! Bukura! Bukura! Good job! Ayaw udong! Go Josh! Go Josh! Ay! Ay!
Get the ball, come, bola. Kapay na ka. Pwede.
Kuya! Go Josh!
Pitch number 1, next game.
Hala!
Club de los Hermanos versus Ateneo. Club de los Hermanos versus Ateneo. Pitch number 1, next game. Pitch number 2, next game. Don Juan United versus Talisay Rascals. Don Juan United versus Talisay
Go Josh!
Pitch number 2. Pitch number 3, Giuseppe B versus Bacolod United. Giuseppe B versus Bacolod United. Then pitches 4A and 4B semifinals for players 11. And happy birthday to Alvin John Formentera of Alicia Football Club, all the way from Bohol. So happy birthday, Alvin John Formentera. Happy birthday to you.
Good job kuya! Okay!
Women's Open, please be ready. Women's Open, please be ready. Teams, Women's Open, please be ready.
Shoot na!
We have We have a game.
One more! Kuya!
Prizes.
Good job, ref! Kuya! Go! Go, Miguel! Go, Miguel! Good job, Miguel!
Please start the game in 4B, the semifinals 4B. Okay.
Go, Kuya! Kaya, Kuya! Kaya! Go, Josh! Go, Josh!
Okay. What are we giving away first? We're giving away a first aid t-shirt and a first aid tote bag. Bring me any gold jewelry. Here, I'm up upstairs. First person to bring any gold.
Go, Josh! Atin na, Josh!
Any gold jewelry. Any gold jewelry. Any gold jewelry. There you go. What's your name? Congratulations, Lala. Congratulations. Okay, 9,000 per grab, no? The gold? Ito na another first t-shirt and a tote bag? Tote bag? Shirt lang, shirt. We're just giving away shirt. Kinsay magkakataw?
Go, Josh! Ay! Ay!
If you have a 1,000 bill, the new one, the new one, you win a shirt. Bring me here, fast. Agnes, congratulations, Agnes. I don't know. Congratulations. Next, another tote bag. Bring me a first pickup. He said, "Kailan mo first pickup, first pickup, bring me a first pickup." Nice, eh? Congratulations. What's your name? Apple, congratulations, Apple. Apple, congratulations. Ma'am Apple, you want to take your picture now?
Ayaw, 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 ayaw.
I'll give you a heart.
Ayaw, 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 ayaw.
The players want to meet their coach. Okay, meet
Ayaw.
their coach.
Ayaw, ayaw, ayaw.
Oh, they want to what's the name of your coach? Boyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Coach Boyo from Don't hold on United, Coach Boyo. Happy birthday. Okay. Bring me a jersey with a number 21. Okay, February 21 Mataro. So if your jersey is, your numbers is 21, bring me that jersey with the number 21 and you win a prize. 21? 21? 21, congratulations.
Kuya! Go, Kuya! One more!
Grace, congratulations, Grace. Okay. Kani, last one. What's your name? Tote bag. I'll make this hard. Bring me your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, or wife here, and you win a tote bag. Kinahanglan, cookies ka.
Go, Josh! Go, Josh! Go, Josh!
Bring me your husband or your wife. And
Corner!
kilala mag-kiss mo na brochure. Mag-kiss mo na brochure. He's gonna pressure. Hey! Congratulations! Andre and Shereen.
Go, kuya! Ah! Good job! Good job, Miguel, kuya!
Once again. Oh, it's fine. Later na. Later, we'll have another bring me later. But they're ongoing games, there's a juggling contest. You just go to the booth. The highest number of jug. Oh, balls that you can